In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. Managing an overflowing inbox can be overwhelming, but with a few straightforward steps, you can quickly mark all of your emails as read and regain a sense of control. Let's dive in and make your inbox more manageable. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials and log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage, which displays your inbox. If you're familiar with this interface, that's great, but if you're new, just take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. On the left-hand side, you should notice the main menu where you can see labels like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts, among others. Stay in the inbox for now. Next, head to the search bar at the top of the page and type "is unread." This will filter your emails and display only those that are unread, making it easier to handle them in bulk. It's a handy trick that can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a large number of unread messages accumulated over time. Now, with your unread emails displayed, look for the checkbox at the top of the email list, near the refresh button. Clicking this checkbox will select all the unread emails on the current page, which typically shows up to 50 emails. After selecting, you might notice a small text that appears above your email list, saying, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click on this link to ensure all unread emails are selected, not just those visible on the first page. Once all your unread emails are selected, proceed to the top of the page and click on the More button, represented by 3 vertical dots next to the icons for archiving and deleting emails. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Mark as Read. This might take a moment, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly, especially if you're dealing with a high volume of emails. Congratulations, you've just marked all your emails as read. It's a quick and efficient way to clean up your inbox without manually opening each email. Remember, keeping up with your emails regularly can prevent them from piling up again. Consider setting aside a few minutes each day to manage new incoming emails. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made managing your Gmail account a bit easier. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials to help you optimize your digital life. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.